20 ways on how to excel at selling complex products. 1. Educate your customer. Before selling a complex product, it is essential to educate your customer about the product's features and benefits. Spend time explaining the product in detail and answering questions. 2. Develop an in-depth understanding of the product. Developing a deep understanding of the product will help you answer any customer questions and concerns. Read up on the product, use it yourself, and speak to experts who can provide further information. 3. Show customer success stories. Showing customers examples of how other customers have been successful with the product can help to increase customer confidence and encourage them to make a purchase. 4. Offer personalized customer service. When selling complex products, customers need personalized service to ensure they are making the right decision. Answer customer questions quickly and accurately and provide support with the setup and installation of the product. 5. Make it easy to purchase. Make it easy for customers to purchase the product. Offer different payment options, provide discounts, and make sure the order process is clear and simple. 6. Focus on customer needs. When selling complex products, ensure that you are focusing on the customer's needs and how the product can help them to meet those needs. 7. Utilize technology. Utilize technology such as augmented reality to provide customers with a virtual experience of the product and help them understand how it works. 8. Offer free trials. Offer customers a free trial period to test out the product before they make a purchase. This will help them to gain confidence in the product and make a more informed decision. 9. Create a sense of urgency. Creating a sense of urgency can help to encourage customers to make a purchase. Remind customers that they won't be able to get the product at the same price or with the same features in the future. 10. Follow up with customers. Following up with customers after they have purchased a complex product is essential to ensure they are happy with the purchase and that they are getting the most out of the product. 11. Understand your competition. Understanding what your competitors are doing can help you to stay ahead of the game. Knowing what they are offering, their pricing, and their unique selling points can help you to adjust your approach to selling complex products. 12. Utilize social media. Utilize social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to promote your complex products and engage with potential customers. 13. Offer support. Offering ongoing support to customers is essential when selling complex products. Offer one-on-one support, online tutorials, and technical support to ensure customers are getting the most out of their purchase. 14. Provide ongoing training. Provide ongoing training to your sales team to ensure they are up to date with the latest product features and updates. 15. Connect with influencers. Connecting with influencers in the industry can help to spread the word about your product and generate interest from potential customers. 16. Track customer feedback. Tracking customer feedback is essential to ensure you are meeting customer needs and expectations. 17. Analyze customer data. Analyzing customer data can help you to understand customer buying habits and preferences, which can help you to tailor your approach when selling complex products. 18. Utilize customer feedback. Utilizing customer feedback can help you to identify areas of improvement and make changes to your sales process. 19. Develop relationships. Developing relationships with customers is essential when selling complex products. Invest time in getting to know customers and their needs to ensure you are providing the best possible service. 20. Create a positive customer experience. Creating a positive customer experience is essential when selling complex products. Ensure that customers have a smooth and enjoyable experience from the moment they contact you to the moment they receive the product. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to support my channel with your comments, like and subscription. Be blessed.